Hey y'all, so today I will be doing a jumbo faux locs tutorial using shakengo freetress braid Poppin twist. It is pre-fluffed hair, perfect for twist, locks, and also crochet. So let's get started. So I'm starting off with already blown out stretched hair, and I also pre-parted my hair so that way it'll actually be a breeze to do these. So I did about 8 sections in the back, and I did about I think 7 in the front area, as you see here. I find that doing it this way is actually more easier, and it makes time really fly. Like my time was really like cut in half, y'all. So I will be working with section by section, so I'm using this comb here to help with my parting, and I will be creating 3 of these sections in the back. And I'm just braiding my hair. I applied shine and jam on there, which makes it a lot more easier to braid my hair. I didn't count how many I actually did, but 3 boxes per section, and then in the front I also did 2 per section. So if you can do the math there, yeah, that's how many I actually applied in my hair. So I'm just going to be repeating the steps all over until my hair is all braided up. Now that my hair is all braided up, this is how it is looking. Looks like it could be a great braid out as well. So this is the back part. Your parts don't have to be all straight as well. Now it's time to apply the freetress braid pre-fluffed 3X Poppin twist hair. I am using the 20-inch hair, and also it is color T530. So I love the fact that their hair comes already pre-stretched, pre-separated, and also pre-fluffed, so it was definitely easy to separate. So I grabbed a total of 2 of the separated hair, and I did that so that way my hair can also be jumbo like I wanted as well. So I just pulled it through. I have one side shorter than the other, and I just try to get it to where it is kind of like the length of my braid. And the other side, we're just gonna go ahead and wrap it around. So I'm using my index finger to help me wrap it around as well. I wrapped it around about 3 times at my roots, and then I just go down. I use my index finger kind of like my guide to help me wrap it around, and I just keep on repeating the same process. You want to make sure that you actually wrap your braid. I know sometimes it can get a little bit tricky where you can actually end up twisting your hair, but just make sure you kind of do it this way, just wrap it around. To make these jumbo, I kind of wrapped it around a little bit loosely, but it does get loose even when you just let go of it, but just depends on how big or small you want it. If you do want it more smaller than these, you can just use one of the separated strands and just do the same thing that I did, but I just used 2, and now I am going towards the end of my hair. And when I do that, I just use my index finger as my guide as well, and I just wrap it around and just go all the way up. As you're going up, the hair automatically locks within, so you don't have to worry about anything unraveling. Now if you're kind of worried about it, just make the wrapping process a little bit more tighter, because it is and it will be securing your hair. You don't really have to use any lighters or anything. I didn't do that as well, and I just rolled it and then just keep repeating the same thing. I love that this hair is actually mixed with black as well. It makes it kind of more like a natural look with also having just like a pop of color. It definitely resembles my actual hair. I will be doing other tutorials as well using the same hair. Like I want to try a twist. I want to try like a whole lot of things, because this hair really resembles our natural hair, and it's very easy to install. took me 3 hours to actually install all of this, even including the braids that I have. I am so in love with this. The process was so easy. I just applied some gold hair accessories to go with the look. But overall, I am so in love with this hair, y'all. If you want to know any more information on it, just go ahead and click on the link in my description box for more information. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and love y'all. Bye.